Hello! Today I'd like to tell you about a great new product, the practi-man mannequin. The practi-man was designed to provide the most realistic simulation for BLS and AED training while being cost-effective at the same time. And, of course, it is designed to work according to current 2010 ECC guidelines. Here are all the parts you need to put the mannequin together. Assembly of the mannequin is quite easy. All you need to do is connect the bag to the valve, connect the valve to the head, connect the head to the body, and cover with the skin. Now you're ready to train. Let's see how to use the practi-man. The selector on the back determines the depth of the compressions for an adult or child, which is confirmed by a clicking sound. If you prefer not to hear a clicking sound, all you need to do is turn the dial to neutral to disable the clicker. The practi-man is the only mannequin in its class that is two mannequins in one. Let me demonstrate how you'd perform chest compressions. If you hear the clicking sound, that is confirmation to the student that the compressions are being performed properly. Next, I will demonstrate mouth-to-mouth breathing. Even if others have used the practi-man before me, or I am sharing one in the same class, I am comfortable using it, as I know I will not be able to inhale air from the lung bag, either my own air or that of other students. This is because our special valve system prevents air from escaping through the mouth. As it relates to the nose pinch, with the patented design of the valve, the practi-man offers what we feel is the closest simulation of what happens with actual victims. In other words, if the nose is not pinched at all, or if the nose is not pinched properly, even if the head tilt is done properly, the rescue breaths will escape through the nose and not inflate the lungs. The practi-man works well with mask mouth and mask bag ventilation. As far as contact with the mannequin's mouth, an inexpensive barrier device with a filter is all I need to avoid catching anything from other users. Plus, another money-saving benefit is that the reusable valve and the entire mannequin are easily cleaned by following industry standards. With the majority of CPR training also including the use of AED trainers, we made sure that the skin works well with the AED training electrodes, like this. The durable skin does not collect residue from the adhesives of the electrodes. Speaking of this skin, the materials used in manufacturing the skin enables us to have a lightweight skin, but one that is very durable. Oh, and did I mention that the practi-man is very light? While the practi-man is actually two mannequins in one, it still weighs less than half of just one of all the other mannequins in its class, which makes for minimal effort carrying several practi-mans for off-site training. All the parts of the mannequin are replaceable. There are very few parts, which means fewer parts to lose and/or to need replacing for any reason. Since the practi-man can be adjusted to be either an adult or a child mannequin, you also save by buying just the practi-man instead of purchasing separate adult and child mannequins. And due to its compact size, it requires much less storage space at your training center or the back of your vehicle when you're going to train on site. Thanks for your time today. Please check with your distributor for more information about the practi-man.